Hello there, young lady.
Who are you?
Why, I'm Dr. John Rawls, the developer of contemporary social contract theory. Who are you?
My name's Lizzie. What in the world is social contact theory?
Well, it's social contract, not contact, but that's okay. Do you have a minute for me to explain it to you?
Like, I suppose so.
Good. The idea of social contract theories of morality is that moral rules come from social agreements. First, we imagine people in a hypothetical situation, which I call the original position. When in the original position, people are limited in knowledge by a veil of ignorance.
Are you calling me ignorant, mister?
No. It just means each of us comes to the table as with limited knowledge. We essentially screen at abilities, disabilities, gender, social status, and many other things. This ensures that as a group, we have limited bias when establishing the social contract.
Okay, keep going.
Good. With this veil of ignorance, one can choose the principles for a just society from initial conditions that are inherently fair. You know, a level playing field. With everyone working from the same vantage point, we will hypothetically arrive at the most agreeable principles upon which society is established. That includes how we determine right and wrong.
I'm actually understanding this mumbo-jumbo. Headache.
This differs from other versions of social contract because it assumes that all participants are rational beings and will likely arrive at the main conclusions of morality together. Society will arrive, I believe, at two basic principles of justice: the principle of greatest equal liberty and the difference principle. Greatest equal liberty means each person is to have an equal right to the broadest basic liberties that line up with others. The difference principle means that we arrange social and economic inequalities to the best advantage for all.
Essentially, you have constructed what is perhaps the most abstract version of a social contract theory. It is highly abstract because rather than demonstrating that we would or even assign to a contract to establish society, it instead shows us what we must be willing to accept as rational persons in order to be constrained by justice and therefore capable of living in a well-ordered society. In other words, rightness is fairness, the closest approach to justice for all of us.
Lizzie, I'm amazed. It looks like you understand.
Actually, you can call me Dr. Lizzie. I'm a professor of philosophy at the local university. Thanks for the lesson, though. It was interesting. See you around.